Alright, so after we took it from down there and we disconnect this connector, now we have to take off this lens. So we have to take off this lens and then take off the bulb and put this kit. It's very easy to take off this lens. There is a myth saying that it's always a break, be careful, blah blah blah. Yes, because there's two screws that not everybody noticed that. This is number one. This is screw number one right here, and the other one I already took off right here. Once you take off these two screws, it's very easy to take off the lens. So we will take off this screw. Right, the screw is loose right now. Alright. Just screw is in my hand right now. This is the screw, and look at the lens. It pops up. That's it. So take off this bulb. Very easy, very smooth. And right now it just says regular bulb. You just will pop it up inside, just like that. That's it. Pops in. Gonna test it out. I'm just going to alright. This is number one. Alright. There we go. Very nice lights. All the LEDs are working. It's so bright and it's so nice. Things are working fine. Testing is done. Please check out our eBay listings. Our eBay user is BMW_LED. Again, it's BMW_LED eBay store. And you could check out our website, bmwled.com or bmwled.net. Again, this is Mustafa with BMW LED. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.